In today's video, I'll show you how to add a live chat widget in GoHighLevel. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. This tool lets you talk with visitors in real time, capture leads, and improve the customer experience right on your website. Start by logging into your HighLevel account and opening the dashboard. On the left menu, click Sites, then select Chat Widget. This is where you'll manage everything. In the top right corner, click New to create a widget. You'll then see options like All-in-One Chat, SMS email chat, Live Chat, and WhatsApp Chat. For most businesses, Live Chat is the best choice because it gives you a simple, real-time chat bubble connected to your conversations inbox. Select Live Chat to move forward. Next, customize the widget. Change the greeting text, adjust colors to fit your brand, and upload your logo or profile picture to make it personal. In the settings, you can decide where chats go. By default, they appear in your Conversations tab, but you can also assign them to a team member or workflow. You can even set business hours so the widget shows different messages when you're offline. When you're done, click Install Code to copy the small JavaScript snippet. Paste it into your website's header section. If you're using HighLevel's website builder, add it under Settings, Custom Code. On WordPress, use a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers. After saving and publishing, refresh your site and the chat bubble will appear in the corner. Send yourself a test message to confirm. It will show up instantly in your Conversations tab. From there, you can reply in real time and follow up later through SMS or email if the visitor leaves their details. With this setup, you create an easy way for visitors to reach you while keeping all communication organized inside your CRM. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.